Rhea Chakraborty has been granted bail after 28 days in custody in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The actor and girlfriend of Sushant is set to walk out of prison after relief by the Bombay High Court. The court has put several bail conditions for Rhea. She has to submit a personal bond of 1 lakh rupees and will have to submit her passport as well. Rhea cannot leave Mumbai without permission and will have to visit police station for 10 days. Her brother Shavik, however, has been denied any reprieve by the Bombay High Court. Team Rhea was jubilant after the court's verdict and said that truth and justice have prevailed. Her lawyer has also said that the witch hunt by the 3 central agencies has been exposed, and Sushant's employees, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda, have also been granted bail. However, drug peddler Abdul Basit Parihar was not granted bail. Narco Bureau is now all set to challenge the bail order. Shruti Barjatia is now joining us live from Byculla Jail. Shruti, what time is Rhea likely to walk out after getting that relief from the Bombay High Court? What time is she going to be walking out of the Byculla Jail? And walk our viewers through the conditions on which she's been granted bail by the High Court. Shruti.
Well, Rhea Chakraborty is in jail from 8th September and it's been almost a month, and today finally High Court gave bail to Rhea Chakraborty, and it's a relief for Rhea's family. But as Shavik Chakraborty is still in a jail and his bail is rejected, but when it comes to Rhea Chakraborty, there is a possibility that she will come out from the jail today itself. But as Session Court sent judicial custody to Rhea Chakraborty till 20th of October, that's why after the court after the bail which received by Mumbai High Court, now the advocate will go to the Session Court. They will do the formalities over there. There they need to pay 1 lakh rupees, and after that only she will come out from the jail. And there is a possibility that today evening itself, or else she need to be in a jail tonight as well.
That's right. Hold on right there, Shruti. We're coming back to you in just about a bit. Now, listen into this exclusive reaction. I spoke to Satish Manashinde, who happens to be Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer, just a while back. Listen into what he had to say on this.
Grateful to the Bombay High Court for having granted bail to 3 people, and particularly to Rhea Chakraborty.
Yes.
She ought to have never been in custody even for a day, but ultimately, I believe in divine justice. She had to go through this, unfortunately, for all the misdeeds that she did in choosing a boyfriend in Sushant Singh Rajput and continuing to live with his habits. And ultimately, though he is not here today, she got all the blame and she suffered for a month. Any party who does not get a favorable order is entitled to choose and file an appeal in the Supreme Court or any higher court. They're choosing their right, and I'm sure they'll get a rap from the Supreme Court if they go in such a matter, because this is such a minuscule matter compared to all that is happening in our country. Can you imagine 3 central agencies in our country, CBI, ED and the NCB, went after a lone lady whose only mistake was she fell in love with Sushant Singh Rajput and handled his drug habits.
Devesh is now joining us from the NCB office. Devesh, what does the Narcotics Control Bureau plan to do next? Now, you've got Abdul Basit Parihar, who's still in jail at the moment. And, you know, Rhea has been granted bail by the High Court. But what about the larger drug cartel? What about the larger drug syndicate in the real sense of the word syndicate and cartel? Where do they stand on that?
Chaiti, right now what our sources from Narcotics Control Bureau are stating that they are going to appeal against the order under which Rhea Chakraborty, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda have been granted bail. Remember, NCB had opposed the bail application at the lower court, at the Sessions Court and also at the Bombay High Court. But hearing arguments from both the sides, Bombay High Court decided to release Rhea Chakraborty, Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant on bail. And regarding the investigation, the ongoing investigations in the case, sources from NCB are telling us that they are trying to nail the kingpin, trying to nail the drug lords who've been involved in peddling or supply of drugs to various personalities in Bollywood to various areas across the country, including Mumbai. As of now, 20 people have been arrested in the case concerning Riya Chakrabarti. Riya Chakrabarti was one of them. Shovik Chakrabarti, her brother, remains behind bars. His bail application has been rejected, and what our sources tell us, it was as Shovik Chakrabarti was directly in touch with Abdul Basit Parihar, Zaid Viltara, Karanjit Arora. These were the 3 drug peddlers who were arrested, and on basis of their testimonies, Shovik was later arrested. Shovik remains to be behind bars. His bail application has been rejected, and also one important point that Shovik had directly made payments to electronic gateways to these drug peddlers for procurement of drugs, and that is what seems to have gone against Shovik Chakrabarti, and that is why his bail.
Now that there is clarity, just hold on right there. I'm coming back to you on that point. That's a very interesting point that you brought forth at the moment.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.